Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So guys, you can see I'm getting this error, that is CSF token mismatch error. Okay, so see guys, this error now I'm getting, and I have wasted lot of time for this. Okay, for this CSF token mismatch error. Okay, so this video will be very useful for you guys. So don't what I can say, don't skip this guys. Watch till the end. Okay, so you will get all the things, whatever solution I tried, that everything I'll tell you guys. Okay, so just watch the video full so you will get all the idea. Okay, so you can see guys, this is my API and I have created this API in Laravel 11. Okay, so you can see guys, earlier Laravel and this Laravel, there's a lot of different guys. Okay, so because of that I faced this lot of issues. Okay, so in earlier Laravel there was different thing, and in this Laravel 11 there is different thing. Okay, so because of that my lot of time gone here only. Okay, so you can see this is my sign up API where I'm trying to store the data. Okay, but I'm getting this CSF token mismatch. Okay, so I'll tell you why I'm getting that. Okay, so you can see guys, this is my database. Okay, where is my database? Okay, so you can see this is my database name. Okay, and you can see here I have given the root, that is sign up root, and if you check here everything is correct. Okay, my root is correct, my local server port is correct, local host is correct, everything is correct. Okay, and I'll show you the API also where I have created. Okay, user control, you can see guys, sorry, you can see guys, here I have created API. Okay, and if you check my API, everything is correct in my API guys. Okay, but then also I'm getting this error. Okay, but then also I'm getting this error guys, that is CSL token mismatch. Okay, so what you need to do for this, see, whatever I have tried, that I'll do. What I done guys, earlier how it was that I have done, that is I have created one middleware folder, because this is not there in Laravel in 11 by default, it will not come, we need to create that. Okay, so what I have done, I have gone in app HTTP. Here in HTTP I have created one folder, that is middleware. In that I have created one file, that is verify CSF token. Okay, so I have created that. So you can see guys, here I have created. What I have done, I have just in except part I have added here like this is, here I have added sign up. Okay, so I'm accepting this pathway. So I thought it will solve my error, but then also it didn't solve my error. You can see it, still I got the same issue, but in earlier Laravel it was solving my solution. Okay, but here the same it is happening. Okay, then what I have done guys, then I have went in app.php. Okay, so here one middleware function I have added here. In middleware I have added one path for this CSV token for my root, but that also didn't work for me. Okay, so that also, after adding also, it was giving me the same error, that is CSV token mismatch. Okay, so this solution I have tried. Then next one is, okay, this two I had tried guys. Okay, then after searching lot of things on Google and all, okay, and Google and all, so Google told me to create, just check for api.php. Okay, but if you go in Laravel, there is no api.php file in Laravel. We need to create that. Okay, so what it told, just create api.php and try for that. Okay, so what I have done guys, I have created api.php. You can see as here I have created. Then after I added the root here, okay, then I tried. I'll show you guys. You can see guys, in web.php, what I'll do, I'll comment it. So here what I have done, I have added the controller, then I have added the sign up function. Okay, sign up function. Then you see guys what will happen. The roots sign up could not be found. Okay, it is telling me could not be found. Okay, okay, could not be found because now it is in api.php, right? So I have to give here what, API. Okay, you can see guys, here it is working, right? Okay, here it is working. Means what is guys, in suppose if you're using API in Laravel 11, don't add roots in web.php guys, just add roots in api.php. Create api.php file in roots, then add here api.php, sorry, whatever roots are there that you add here, then it will work guys. Okay, so this is the solution for this. Okay, so you can see guys, now it is working. It is giving me the response, that is user already exists, which is there in my API. Okay, so I'll show you that also. Okay, you can see as user already exists with this email, so that response I am getting here. Okay, so my API is working now. Okay, so I think you got, guys. If you are getting that error, that is CSF token mismatch error, that time what you do, guys, just create API.php file and just add this root here, guys, in api.php. Don't add roots in web.php. Okay, so then it will work. No need of this verify CSR token. Okay, no need. And one more thing is here also you need to create api.php. And one more thing is here also in app.php, this file you will get automatically when we install Laravel 11. We'll get this app.php. Okay, so here also you need to add like API roots and api.php. This also you need to add, guys, in your app.php. Okay, don't forget this. Okay, because see here web we are using here also it is there, so API also we need to add, then only it will work. Okay, so this is the thing, guys. Okay, so I hope you got. If you're getting this CSF token error, then guys, try this solution only, it will work. Okay, it will definitely work. Then also suppose if you're facing any error regarding that, then you can comment me, guys. I'll make video on that. Okay, so I hope, guys, you got this. If you have any question, you can comment, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys.